You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, another one from Throne of Class. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations from the series, stay tuned. I've got them all here on this channel. Stay tuned. I'll link to a few videos. Endovier, or Endovier. It's a slave camp in the northern portion of Adarlan. Endovier is the English pronunciation. Endovier. Endovier, or Endovier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.